With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, our question is statement first is cyanides are more polar than the isocyanides, and statement second is isocyanides show addition of oxygen or sulfur with HgO or HgS respectively. So here are the options. Option first is statement first is true, statement second is true, and statement second is a correct explanation for statement first. The second option is statement first is true, statement second is true, and second is not a correct explanation for statement first. The third option is statement first is true, statement second is false, and the fourth option is statement first is false and statement second is true. So here's the solution. This is our cyanide group and this is isocyanide group. In cyanide group, the carbon side is attached with the alkyl group, and in isocyanide, the nitrogen side will attached with the alkyl group. Now we will move to the statement first. In statement first, we have that the cyanides are more polar than isocyanides. We know that the polarity depends upon the dipole moment. Molecule is polar, then it must have a dipole moment. And dipole moment is nothing, it is basically the charge separation produced due to the difference in electronegativity. And the dipole moment is a vector quantity which have a direction from positive part to negative part. So here we will check the dipole moment of the cyanide and isocyanide group. So first we will take cyanide group. Here we know that the electronegativity of carbon is 2.5. There is also 2.5, and the electronegativity of nitrogen is greater than the carbon, that is a 3.0. So from here we can say that there is electronegativity difference is 0. So there is no dipole moment will in RC bond. But here in carbon-nitrogen bond, the electronegativity of nitrogen is greater than that of the carbon. So nitrogen will get a partial negative charge and carbon will get a partial positive. So the direction of dipole is from positive part to negative part. So the direction of dipole is from carbon to nitrogen. So the net resultant dipole is in this direction. Now we will move to the isocyanide group. In isocyanide group, there is R and triple bond C, and we know that nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon, so this will get partial negative charge, this will get partial positive charge, and this will also get partial positive charge. So here the direction of dipole will be from positive part to negative part and from positive part to negative part. Now here in NC bond, the bond order is greater because there are triple bond between nitrogen and carbon, so the bond order increases. If the bond order increases, then the percentage S character increases and hence polarity increases. Therefore we can say that the polarity increases. Thus from here we can say that the carbon nitrogen bond is more polar. But in isocyanides we can say that the resultant dipole are in opposite direction. As the resultant dipole are in opposite direction, therefore the dipole moment decreases. Thus we can say that the dipole moment of isocyanide group is lesser than the dipole moment of cyanide group. And if the cyanide group have more dipole moment, then it is more polar than the isocyanide group. So here the statement first will be true. Now we will move to the statement second. In statement second we have that the isocyanide show addition of oxygen or sulfur with mercuric oxide and mercuric sulfide. So here in statement second we will see the reaction of isocyanide group with mercuric oxide, and from here we will get alkyl isocyanate, that is the R N double bond C double bond O. So here in this reaction there is an addition of oxygen will occur. So the statement second is true. Now we will see the reaction of isocyanide with HgS. And again we will get a product like that R N double bond C double bond S. Here again is the addition of sulfur will occur. So from here we can say that the statement second is also true. Now we will move to the options. So let's check the option. In option first we have the statement first is true, statement second is true, and second is correct explanation for statement first. This is wrong because statement second is not the correct explanation for the statement first, because the polarity of a molecule depends upon dipole moment, not on the reaction with HgO and HgS. So here the option first is wrong. Now we will move to the option second. In option second, we have that statement first is true, statement second is true, and second is not a correct explanation for statement first. So this is right. So this will be our answer. So here the correct answer will be option second. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.